This is an unboxing video for the Go Bag by GoFarther. This is the box you will receive. Inside the box you will receive one of these two postcards. Either a thank you card from us for supporting a wholly Australian-owned business, or if you nominated the bag as a gift you are sending to someone else, you can have a personalised message written on the For You Dad card. Also in the box is the instruction manual, which explains the ways the bag can be worn and tells you about the components of the bag, and how the shoulder strap can be used to turn the bag into a backpack. Inside a protective sleeve you will find the bag itself. This is what you get. Note the detachable nappy compartment comes already connected to the bag. Just to give you an idea of size of the Go Bag. It is about half the size of a standard 20-litre backpack, or about the size of a high-end camera bag. Packed inside the front nappy compartment you'll find the GoFarther change mat that comes with the Go Bag. I keep this in the dedicated external pocket on the back of the bag. It's usually the first thing you need to get out, and it's great to be able to get to it without having to put the bag down or go into it while carrying a baby at the same time. Inside the main compartment you'll find the shoulder strap and a stabilizer strap. The problem with all messenger bags is that when you lean forward they tend to slip off your back and rotate forward. When you're bending over to pick up a baby, that's a problem. The optional stabilizer strap fixes that and keeps the bag in place. The Go Bag is constructed of quality materials, waxed canvas and Cordura, YKK zippers and electroplated hardware. All in all, it weighs an easy 1.3 kilograms. Thanks for watching. Now grab a bag and go farther. Georgie and I hope to see you out there.